So this is going to be just a quick overview of the Truma control panel. So to turn this on, just press and hold the home button and it will then load up. So as you can see, we've got the control panel switched on. So the top left, we've got your room climate. If you click on that, you can turn on your heating or venting. If you click heating, you can desire your temperature with a plus and minus. You have got comfort and fast. And then on the bottom right is going to be your source. So as you can see, we've got diesel heating or electric. Diesel is going to run off your diesel tank. It's not going to empty your diesel tank. But then if you're on mains hookup, obviously you've got 900 watts or 1800 watts. As you can see at the minute in white, they are currently both on. So we are now currently running off diesel and electricity. If you just want to run off diesel when you're off grid, it'd be just diesel alone. Or if you just want to run off electric on campsite, you can just turn on electric so you're not wasting your diesel. If you do need that extra heat though, turning the diesel on will boost that heating for you. Next one at the top is venting. So this is just going to turn on the fans and circulate the ambient air in the habitation area. The next one is going to be your hot water. So you've got a few settings on here. Your bottom right is going to be your source. Same again, diesel or electric. And then you've got 40 degrees, 60 degrees, and then 70. It does say underneath 70 long shower, 60 shower, and then dishes 40 degrees. 40 and 60 is usually enough. If you do want that long shower, or if two people are having a shower, turn it up to the 70 degrees and that will give you enough hot water to have two showers. To turn this off is the top right, so that is just turning off the hot water. You've got the iNet X app, so you can connect to a smartphone through Bluetooth. Notifications, so this will give you notifications of any faults or warnings. You've got turn off, and then you've got settings. So date, time, some general settings. And that is really it on that Truma control panel. To turn it off, you can either put it in standby mode. If you put it on standby mode, that means you can then obviously connect to it through the app if you are in the proximity of Bluetooth for it. And then to turn it off completely, just press turn off and then it will then shut down. Thanks for watching. If you need any more information, drop a comment or drop us an email.